Welcome to It's Fun and Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today's video, we're doing our second Walmart Hockey Power Cube box break, and this is our second one, so we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so here we go. It slides off like so, and just in case, dramatic reveal, just in case we get something big. Okay, so this looks actually a little different. This time we get different cards. So 16-17 Series 2. Another 16-17 Series 2. 18-19 Series 1. MVP. And your 4 pack to score. And then you have your other cards in there that we'll look at the end. So, let's open some score, because score's the best. Oh, award winners. Who is that? Can't read that name.
Steven Stamkos.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that's another one. Net Cam. It's pretty good. And then, I mean, those aren't really hits, but I mean, they're different than any other scorecard, so I mean, we'll set it out, check value, and see if it's by chance worth anything, but there's no really value to it. Man, this pack is not cooperating with me. There we go. Oh, season highlights.
Cool.
Alright. And franchise.
The franchise, yeah.
And that. It's kind of a mess right now. I'm just trying to keep this organized. One sec. There we go. After this pack, we have one more score, then we'll get on to the other stuff. After this, we'll probably do MVP. And, by the way, this is our second one of the Walmart box breaks. So if you haven't, Hot Rookies, if you haven't seen the first one of that, definitely go check that out, because it is a good one. We got about $20 with our value. So this is our second one, so after you're done watching this one, if you haven't seen the first one already, go check it out. Uh-oh. These are just hard to open. I should start opening these from the bottom. Okay. I'm not going to read the names on base because I'm not really good at reading names, and no value. Season highlights, Sidney Crosby, that's pretty good. Hey, we just got that card.
Yeah, Riley Smith, we just got that one.
We just got that one. And one more pack of score.
Nope, that's,
Oh, no, this is MVP now. We're done all the score, this is MVP now. Oh, MVP auto, Leon Draisaitl.
nice
That's
card.
good. Leon Draisaitl.
I thought that was McDavid.
That's a nice. Leon Draisaitl's still a great player.
Yep, sure is. Check that card
MVP
out.
auto. And then base.
Nice. Leon Draisaitl. All right, we'll put that one right there. That's a pretty cool looking card.
Yeah.
Auto.
I'm gonna do this order, so we're gonna do a pattern. So 'cause we have 2 of these kinds, so we're gonna do
Can you open them with scissors?
No,
You
it's
got
fine. I got it. There we go. 16, 17, Series 2, right? Series 2?
Yep.
Series 2.
Here we go. Any hits in here? Come on, come on, come on. Do we have a young gun? Yes, we do.
Blake
Blake Spears for New Jersey. All right, there's a young gun hit. Anything else in there?
Nope.
That's base?
Just base.
Okay.
Normally, if you get a Young Guns, you don't get anything else. That opened really easy. 18, 19, Series 1. No thick cards.
Oh, that's a neat look. These are neat ones.
Yeah. There's not as many cards in 18, 19. 5 cards, nothing.
Base pack?
Base back.
Oh, man.
Okay, and one last one of this 16, 17 Series 2.
You can only get 5 cards in that year. You only get 5 cards in the pack. That doesn't seem like very many.
No, same with MVP. We have something.
We have something.
It's a rookie portraits.
Oh, nice. Jimmy Vasey, rookie portraits.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
And more base. So where are those cards that, okay. These are the just miscellaneous, I should say.
Yeah, they put 50 random cards.
I'm
in
gonna
the-
grab these slot by slot. I can't hold all those.
They put 50 random cards besides the packs in each one of those. So you do get a fair amount of cards. A lot of score, but...
Yeah.
Oh, there's a marquee rookie.
Under
Alexander Carrier.
Carrier.
Yeah, marquee. Oh, there's another, what's that one?
That's team checklist. Oh, it's a checklist.
Minnesota Wild team checklist. Cool.
Marquee rookie.
Another marquee rookie, yeah. Philadelphia.
That's
It's a
different.
different looking card, but nothing special. Just a base from a long time ago, I think. All right. What else you got?
We need to grab the next little bunch.
I think the 50 cards are mostly just base cards that they put in from...
Yeah. But in the last one, we didn't actually see it, but on the back of that shiny one that we got, it was actually numbered at a 199.
Oh yeah, we did get a numbered card, and we also got 2 Upper Deck UD canvases out of those random ones last time.
Numbered one at a 199, those numbered cards, means there's only, that one was at a numbered 199. That means there's only 199 cards of those made in the whole world. Oh.
It's a different looking card. Is it a base?
I think it's just a base, yeah.
It's just a base card, but I think he's standing in front of a really cool sign. Yeah, it's a base. Checklist.
Where? Oh, not bad.
Series 2 checklist.
From what? 17, 18.
17, 18.
That's
Different,
interview.
but it's just a base. Okay, so
There we
mostly
go.
just base cards in that one.
So we got. That's a nice card. We have some other autos. I almost have a full page, but Leon Draisaitl was a good player, so yeah, that's probably our best hit or this. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.